Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and who remembers Clippy, the annoying assistant that used to be in Microsoft Office. And Microsoft is about to do the same thing in a modern version. We will get Copilot Mico. Yeah, Mico, the new assistant. So this will show up apparently pretty much everywhere when Copilot exists. It will be an assistant that will be apparently more intelligent. It will learn from what you do and try to help you out, hopefully in a much better way than Clippy. Of course, it'll be something that you can turn off, and hopefully it'll be opt-in. So Microsoft unveiled that soon, in the next few months, we'll have this new assistant, Mico, show up. And I must say that I don't think we need such a thing. I think just having Copilot was enough for guys. You don't have to add stuff like that. And at the same time, wanted to mention that Microsoft did mention that Windows 11 will become a AI-focused operating system. They have mentioned this week that Windows 11 will get more and more AI. And even some of the features of Copilot plus PCs will go into the regular Windows 11 that we all have, showing that Microsoft is actually looking into the future of AI-driven Windows. And they say that this is going to help us and make our computers and our using our computers more productive, and that it's something we want, according to Microsoft, of course. So I don't know. This is going to be something after we had Clippy, which was a failure. Then we got Cortana, which, I mean, it was okay, but who used Cortana? Not really anyone. And finally, Mico. Will it be better? No, I don't think anybody was going to use Mico. I think it's a failure to understand really that people don't really use these things and don't want them. So embrace the future. Mico is coming to a PC near you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.